Let us
Hello.
welcome back my colleague Judy.
Hello, everyone.
Yes.
Welcome to our live show.
I think our friends Judy could be. Let us come back to our introduction of our products, right?
Yes.
I think we can move on to other products. Now, how about this one?
Oh, this is the phone case.
Yes, it's the phone case, and it is made of silicone product,
Yes.
silicone material.
It is soft.
It is very soft, very nice. And also, as you can see, the color. This color is very. I think it is very soft, and there are many colors. We can do many other colors
for you.
Yes.
And
because we are factory, right?
yes,
We can help design, and we accept OEM and ODM services. And then, how about let's try it? I got a phone over here. I would like to try it up for you guys. Oh, it is. As you can see, like this. We can do it for iPhone from 12, from 10 to 14, and other phones can also do it. You can just contact us, and we will be very happy to do customized for you. And now, maybe we should do some.
tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, how about we try this one?
Yes.
Introduce this.
Do you like this?
This product, it is also for kids.
Kit.
It is kids silicone plate. Silicone plate for when we are feeding our kids. We can use these products to replace the traditional normal balls.